How to check login activity on Snapchat. So go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. Once you're in this page, click on the Bitmoji icon on the upper left corner of the screen. In here, click on the gear icon to get into settings page. Now scroll down and click on two-factor authentication. Make sure that you have this SMS verification turned on. If you have that turned on, the recovery code here below and the forget devices will be available on the screen. Now, to see the login activity of this account, click on forget devices, and in here, you will see every device that logged in your account, and if there are any suspicious activity, simply check on the X icon beside that, confirm it, and your account will then be logged out of that specific device. So that is how to check login activity on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.